If your workshop feels like a chaotic mess with tools scattered everywhere, it's time to take control and transform your space into a well-organized haven. A good pegboard isn't just a storage solution. It's a productivity booster, saving you time and keeping your tools in top-notch condition. In this video, we'll review the best pegboards for tools that can help you organize your workshop like a pro. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these options offer durability, functionality, and style to match your needs. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Hogurity Pegboard 4-pack metal pegboard panels. The Hogurity Pegboard stands out for its sleek and sturdy design. Each panel is crafted from high-quality metal, ensuring a robust structure that can hold heavy tools without bending. The powder-coated finish not only adds to its durability, but also provides a polished look, making it an aesthetic addition to any workshop. This 4-pack of panels covers a significant wall area, allowing you to organize various tools efficiently. The panels are perforated with precision, enabling smooth peg insertion for a secure fit. This thoughtful design minimizes tool slippage, ensuring your tools stay exactly where you place them. The Hogurity Pegboard's usability is exceptional. The panels are lightweight yet strong, making installation hassle-free. You can mount them on different wall types, including drywall and concrete. Thanks to the included mounting hardware, the modular design means you can expand or rearrange the setup as your tool collection grows. With the Hogurity Pegboard, you're investing in a durable, reliable, and stylish organizer that fits seamlessly into any workshop setting.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. SNK Pegboard includes 4 pegboard and accessories. The SNK Pegboard offers an all-in-one solution for those looking to upgrade their workshop organization effortlessly. Each of the 4 panels is made from high-strength metal, ensuring durability that can withstand daily use in demanding environments. The panels are coated with a rust-resistant layer, ensuring longevity even in humid conditions. The package comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including hooks, bins, and shelves, providing everything you need to start organizing immediately. The accessories fit snugly into the perforations, offering a secure hold for tools of various shapes and sizes. This ensures your setup remains tidy and tools are easily accessible. Ease of use is a standout feature of the SNK Pegboard. The pre-drilled holes and included hardware simplify the mounting process, whether on wood or masonry walls. The panels are lightweight yet sturdy, allowing for quick installation without compromising stability. SNK Pegboard is a practical and cost-effective solution for anyone looking to enhance their workspace. With its combination of durability, flexibility, and a complete accessory kit, the SNK Pegboard is a reliable choice for any tool enthusiast. Number 3. TORACK Metal Pegboard Wall Organizer with Accessories. The TORACK Metal Pegboard Wall Organizer combines heavy-duty construction with a sleek, modern design. Made from thick, powder-coated steel, this pegboard offers superior strength and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for workshops and garages. Its smooth finish gives it a professional look while preventing scratches during use. This pegboard includes a variety of accessories, such as hooks, holders, and bins, designed to handle tools of all sizes. The hooks are reinforced, ensuring they can support heavier tools like drills and saws without bending or slipping. The perforations are precisely aligned, allowing for easy adjustments and secure placement of accessories. Usability is another strong suit of the TORACK metal pegboard. The panels are easy to install, with pre-drilled mounting holes that accommodate different wall types. Once mounted, the pegboard remains securely in place, even under significant weight. The included accessories make it a plug-and-play solution, saving you time and effort in setting up your workspace. The TORACK metal pegboard is designed to optimize space utilization. Its generous panel size allows for ample storage, keeping your tools within arm's reach. This system not only organizes your tools but also enhances your workflow by reducing clutter and improving accessibility. Number 4. Daanxw 4-pack heavy-duty steel pegboard panels. The Daanxw heavy-duty steel pegboard panels are built for durability and strength, making them a top choice for professional workshops. Crafted from industrial-grade steel, these panels can withstand substantial weight, ensuring they hold even your heaviest tools securely. The matte black finish adds a touch of sophistication while providing resistance to rust and corrosion. The perforations are evenly spaced, allowing for precise hook placement and maximum storage efficiency. Each panel is designed to interlock seamlessly, creating a cohesive and professional-looking storage wall. The Daanxw Pegboard is user-friendly and versatile. Installation is straightforward with pre-drilled holes and included mounting hardware. Whether you're fixing it to concrete, wood, or drywall, the process is quick and secure. The panel's modular nature lets you expand or rearrange them as your needs evolve. It's perfect for organizing large power tools, gardening equipment, or automotive gear. Despite its robust build, the Daanxw Pegboard retains a sleek and polished appearance, making it a practical and stylish addition to any workspace. Number 5. Nafenai Pegboard Combination Wall Organizer Kit. The Nafenai Pegboard Combination Kit brings together functionality and aesthetics in one well-designed package. Made from durable, high-grade metal, this pegboard kit includes panels and an array of accessories that cater to diverse storage needs. The panels are lightweight yet incredibly sturdy, with a smooth finish that resists wear and tear. The perforations are designed for easy hook insertion, allowing for effortless customization of your tool arrangement. The included accessories, ranging from hooks to small shelves, offer versatile storage options for tools, fasteners, and other workshop essentials. Installation is a breeze with the Nafenai Pegboard. The panels come with pre-drilled holes and all necessary hardware, making it easy to mount them on various wall surfaces. Once installed, the pegboard provides a stable and reliable storage solution that stays secure even under heavy use. One of its standout features is its modern design. The clean lines and neutral color scheme complement any workshop decor, while the practical layout enhances efficiency. Number 6. Keepo Pegboard Combination Kit with Accessories. The Keepo Pegboard Combination Kit is a versatile and customizable storage solution, perfect for organizing tools and supplies in any workshop. Each panel is constructed from premium-grade metal, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The panels feature a sleek, powder-coated finish that resists scratches and corrosion, maintaining their appearance over time. This kit comes with an impressive range of accessories, including hooks, shelves, and storage bins. These elements are designed to fit seamlessly into the perforations, offering secure and stable storage for tools of all shapes and sizes. The modular design allows you to configure the setup to match your workflow, making your workspace more efficient. The Keepo Pegboard is easy to install and expand. The panels are lightweight, making them manageable during installation, yet strong enough to support heavy tools. Pre-drilled holes and included hardware simplify the mounting process, whether you're attaching them to drywall, wood, or concrete. This pegboard system is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Its minimalist design blends well with various workshop styles, providing a clean and professional look. Number 7. WallPeg Made in USA Pegboard Panels 24x16. The WallPeg Pegboard panels are proudly made in the USA, offering a reliable and durable solution for workshop organization. Constructed from high-impact polypropylene, these panels are lightweight yet incredibly strong, capable of supporting heavy tools without warping or breaking. The panels feature a patented flex-lock design, ensuring hooks and accessories stay securely in place. This unique system eliminates the frustration of hooks falling off, even with frequent tool use. The perforations are precisely spaced, allowing for a snug fit and easy customization. Installation is straightforward, with pre-drilled mounting holes and included hardware. The lightweight panels are easy to handle, making the setup process quick and hassle-free. Once installed, the WallPeg panels provide a stable and reliable storage solution that can withstand daily wear and tear. Its compact size is perfect for smaller spaces while still offering ample storage capacity. With WallPeg, you're investing in a high-quality, American-made product that delivers both functionality and peace of mind. And there you have it, the best pegboards to transform your workshop into a well-organized, efficient space. Each of these options offers unique features, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're dealing with a small home workshop or a professional garage, these pegboards provide the durability and versatility you need. So, pick the one that suits your style and get started on organizing your tools like a pro.